as dove upon the wind of heaven's love. Past the planets and the stars, leave this lonely world of ours. Escape the sorrow and the pain and fly again. Precious one, your endless journey has begun. Take your gentle happiness, far too beautiful for this. Cross over to the other shore, there is peace forevermore. But hold this memory bittersweet until we meet. Fly, fly, do not fear. Don't waste a breath, don't shed a tear. Your heart is pure, your soul is free. Be on your way, don't wait for me. Bye.